Hey there, friends. Today is kind of a weird day. It's partially cloudy, partially sunny. So I got some things already in the one of my solar ovens, my Sport, just to get a head start. So those are actually hash brown rounds. But today I decided to make hamburgers. The girls have been asking for hamburgers for a while. So hopefully this bread turns out. Because the yeast is a little old, so I'm going to give you guys a bit of a head warning. And then we have our hamburgers. So today I'm going to use the Instafire Ember. So I'm really excited. So I already made the bread for making the buns. This is actually one of the pans that that is sold as a separate accessory to the Instafire Ember. So I went ahead and greased it up with some lard because that stuff is amazing when it comes to making bread and getting it to not stick. So let me go ahead and roll these out and put them in bun shapes and pop them right in real quick. Here we are. We have those already set out in here. I'm going to go ahead and put a tea towel over them really quick. And while we do that, let's get the oven itself started and the Instafire started so that we can get moving forward. Actually, you know what? First, let me go ahead and... Ooh! I dropped the bowl. That's okay. It didn't break, though. So I'm going to go ahead and get these seasoned as well because that way the flavor's already in them when it's ready to go. Here we are. That's nice and seasoned. Now to go get the chimney set up and the Ember oven preheating. Alright, here we are, guys. So what I am using is pressed bricks. These are phenomenal to use in both the Ember and the Inferno. This is the Inferno Pro with the chimney. It has a charcoal chimney, which is really cool. So we got the charcoal going right now. So we're waiting on that to get nice and white. And then we'll go ahead and preheating this. Right now I'm just waiting for the flames to kind of kick up a little bit more so that they catch the bricks, but already we're at 100 degrees. Obviously we're trying to preheat this so we can get the bread and the hamburgers set and ready to go. So I will show you guys as we get more progress. Here we are, friends. We're almost at 300 degrees. We have a horrendous wind going on right now, which is making things a little bit more difficult. Got a nice flame going here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and pop the buns in right now, so that way we can keep on schedule. So here we are. It fell. It's okay. It didn't fall too bad. There we are. Actually, these plumped up pretty nice. Come on, open. It's hard to do with one finger. Here we are. Look at that. Nice and steamy in there. There we go. Just pop those in. Close it up. There we are. So we'll go ahead and check in on those when those are about just done. I'm going to get some of the other stuff started so that way we have everything all that we need. Alright guys, here we are. We're actually over 300 now. Do a quick peek. Those look really nice. Getting a little toasty in there, which is great. I'm going to go ahead, pop that on there. Coals are nice and hot. Hopefully the bread is going to look really, really good. I've actually never made bread in this before. I've only made other things, so fingers crossed we get it right first time. Looks like the yeast actually did work a bit, so they were nice and plump as you could see before. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these on real quick. Alright, here we are, my friends. Almost at 400 degrees, which is exactly where we need to be. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I need to... Can you hold that? Thank you. I have little off-screen helpers today. Oh my gosh, those are beautiful. Do they smell really good? Oh, wow. Those are so nice. Let me see if I can pop one. All right. All right. Let's try to do this. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's perfect. Here we go. There we go. It's perfect, guys. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. All right, cool. Now we have that. I will show you everything once it's plated. Here we go, guys. I know my plating sucks today. I'm in a hurry. The wind is blowing and it's a chill in the wind. So, which means that we got a weather front coming in of coldness. So that's okay. That's cool. Anyway, here we go. Hamburgers. I made the tater tot crowns in my Gosun Sport, which is delicious. Obviously, the buns were done in the Instafire Ember, and the burger was done in the Instafire Pro Inferno with the charcoal chimney. So that is really awesome, really excellent. I'm loving these products. Just put it out there. I am newly affiliated with Instafire. So far they've had really good customer service, so I'm really enjoying them a lot as of right now. Hopefully we will see a lot more Instafire products as I continue on my cooking journey, but I will be starting a series of Instafire cooking as well as blending it with my solo cooking because, like I said before, I don't like cooking inside. I love cooking outside. Let's see. I will put the bread recipe up in my comments, or yeah, I think it's my comments. I'll put the recipe up there because it is a fantastic recipe. It's actually a bread in a bag recipe, but I don't put it in a bag. But it's the perfect size for 4 buns in the Ember. It just worked out really nicely. So I'll put that up there. I will put links up for the Instafire Ember, the Instafire Inferno Pro, and the chimney, so that way, and the pans. So if you guys are interested, you want to take a peek at them or whatnot, you can just click the link. It won't cost you anything extra if you end up really wanting to buy them. It's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and eat this before it gets too cold. So I hope you guys are healthy, happy, and safe, and I will see you next time.